Okay, what do we have here? This is a 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck, aka Caddy LX, with the vnt15 ball bearing variable nozzle turbo on a 1.6 liter IDI eco diesel with a 5-speed manual. Nice little 50 mile per gallon half-ton truck. Still a good solid little truck. Let's hear it better with the door open. Oh, that is a pretty sound. So, in the cab here, the bad, don't think the temperature gauge works, haven't investigated it deeply. Fuel gauge does work, clock works, speedometer, all that works. The light on the oil pressure comes on when it has oil pressure, it goes out if it loses oil pressure. The rest of that pretty much works. So yeah, minor issues there. Oh, here we go. Let's try this. Oh yeah, that blows lots of air. Oh, get my foot off it. Hazards. Oh, we got a boost gauge here. With the vnt15, it can run upwards of 16 pounds of boost. That's up to you. Right now we have it set where it limits out at about 6 pounds of boost. That is adjustable under the hood. We were installing an oil temperature gauge, but because the dash's water temperature gauge didn't work, we're using that as the water temperature gauge. And over here we have a pyrometer. Now when you're running upwards of 16 pounds of boost, your pyrometer temperatures can climb above 800. With it limited to 6 pounds of boost, that pyrometer stays respectfully down around 600. 1200 is really where things are getting hot, but to run the higher boost levels, it would be recommended to make use of the ports in the intake for a Aquamist injection liquid intercooler. Here, I'll show you some of that work.